Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, the channel where we explore the most fascinating vessels sailing the seas, from timeless classics to modern marvels of marine design. Today we're diving into something truly unique and deeply captivating, a vessel that carries the soul of a working tugboat yet lives today as a refined symbol of luxury and transformation. This is the story and review of Vervece, a classic tugboat reborn as a luxury motor yacht that perfectly balances raw maritime heritage with elegant modern living.
Vervece isn't just a yacht. It's a statement of how engineering, history, and craftsmanship can come together to create something extraordinary.
Originally built as a working tugboat, Vervece spent its early years serving with strength and resilience, towing vessels, weathering storms, and embracing the raw elements of the sea. But when Palumbo Shipyard took on the ambitious task of converting her into a modern luxury yacht, the vision wasn't just to renovate a boat. It was to preserve her authentic character while reinventing her for a new life of comfort, leisure, and style.
The moment you first see Vervece, her tugboat origins are unmistakable.
The solid steel hull, the proud bow, and the low, purposeful profile all speak of her tough industrial roots. Yet, there's an undeniable grace now, a refined balance between function and beauty. Palumbo Shipyard managed to retain that original working boat DNA while giving the vessel an elegant, modern personality. The exterior lines have been polished, the decks have been extended, and the superstructure refined to create a silhouette that feels powerful yet composed. It's that perfect harmony between the old and the new, between work and pleasure. Moving along the exterior, you notice how the craftsmanship elevates every surface.
The teak decks glisten in the sunlight, adding warmth to the strong steel frame. Polished chrome accents and subtle yacht-style railings frame the deck beautifully.
The aft deck offers a relaxing lounge area that wasn't part of the tugboat's original design but now provides the perfect space for dining, socializing, or simply watching the sunset over the open sea. There's a hint of minimalism in how everything is arranged, but it's a deliberate, elegant simplicity that suits her personality. Vervece doesn't try to hide her heritage. Instead, she celebrates it, transforming practicality into timeless style.
Now, let's talk about design philosophy. The transformation of Vervece wasn't just cosmetic. It was deeply thoughtful, a complete reinterpretation of space and function.
The design team respected the vessel's original proportions, ensuring the conversion didn't distort the balance of her lines. The upper deck was reimagined to add more comfort without losing the ship's strong stance. Modern safety and navigation systems were discreetly integrated so that the wheelhouse maintains that authentic maritime charm. You can still feel the spirit of the tug captain steering through heavy seas, yet now you do it surrounded by cutting-edge technology and luxurious finishes.
Stepping inside, Vervece continues to impress with a sense of quiet sophistication.
The interior is a masterpiece of marine craftsmanship, intimate yet open, refined yet grounded. The designers chose warm, natural materials that echo her maritime past. Teak and mahogany feature prominently throughout, balanced by soft leather seating and brushed metal details. The lighting design creates an inviting atmosphere, with LED fixtures that gently highlight the grain of the wood and the curves of the furniture. Every space feels intentional, designed for comfort but never overdone.
The main salon is both a social and sensory centerpiece.
Wide windows frame views of the ocean, flooding the space with light. A mix of classic nautical touches and contemporary decor gives it a timeless feel. You can imagine hosting guests here, sharing stories over a glass of wine, or simply enjoying the rhythm of the sea while the yacht cruises smoothly ahead. There's a sense of calm that comes from how well the designers balance textures, tones, and proportions. Vervece isn't loud in her luxury, she whispers it through craftsmanship and detail. The sleeping quarters continue that theme of refined comfort. The master cabin offers the warmth of a traditional ship's cabin with the softness of a luxury suite. Porthole windows keep you connected to the ocean, while carefully built storage and fine woodwork maximize every inch of space. The guest cabins are cozy and practical, each with its own sense of character. The mini guest cabin, in particular, shows how intelligent design can make even compact spaces feel luxurious. It's the kind of environment where you immediately relax, everything feels in place, and nothing feels forced.
The bathrooms, or heads as we say at sea, are sleek and efficient. You'll find marble or solid surface countertops, glass-enclosed showers, and warm brass or chrome fixtures that complement the nautical theme.
The galley kitchen continues this blend of practicality and elegance. It's compact, efficient, and beautifully finished, with stainless steel appliances and wood cabinetry that fit perfectly into the yacht's classic modern aesthetic. Every corner of Vervece tells a story of careful thought, how to make life on board not just comfortable, but deeply enjoyable.
Now let's head up to the wheelhouse, where the spirit of Vervece truly comes alive. This is the heart of the vessel, the space where her tugboat past meets her luxurious present. The original structure has been preserved with reverence, keeping the polished wood panels and classic layout, but the systems are completely updated.
Modern radar, navigation, and communication technology are integrated seamlessly into the console. You get the best of both worlds, the look and feel of a traditional bridge with the performance and reliability of modern marine electronics. Sitting at the helm, you can sense the power beneath you, the weight of history, and the freedom of the open sea all at once.
Performance-wise, Vervece still embodies the strength of her tugboat origins.
Her steel hull gives her exceptional stability, making her comfortable even in choppy conditions. The propulsion system was modernized during the conversion, ensuring she delivers efficient cruising performance with reduced fuel consumption. She's not built for speed, she's built for endurance and comfort. That's what makes her special. Vervece moves with purpose and grace, reminding you that true luxury at sea isn't about racing ahead but about savoring the journey. The noise insulation has been carefully upgraded, so the interior remains calm even when underway. The balance between power and silence is remarkable. It's easy to forget that beneath those beautiful decks lies the heart of a working tug, an engine room designed for strength and reliability. Everything feels robust, overbuilt, and dependable. This is a yacht that can handle long passages, unpredictable weather, and still keep you in absolute comfort. What sets Vervece apart from most modern yachts is her soul. Many new builds are beautiful, yes, but they often lack history. They lack that sense of story. Vervece carries her history in every rivet, every weld, and every line of her hull. You're not just cruising on a yacht, you're sailing aboard a piece of maritime heritage that has been lovingly reborn. That emotional connection is her ultimate selling point. She's more than just a vessel, she's a bridge between eras, between the rugged determination of working boats and the refined comfort of luxury yachting. From a design perspective, Vervece also stands as an example of sustainable restoration. Instead of building a new yacht from scratch, Palumbo Shipyard reused and reimagined an existing structure, reducing the environmental impact and celebrating the art of maritime preservation. This approach appeals not just to enthusiasts and collectors, but to a new generation of owners who value authenticity and sustainability as much as performance and comfort.
When you see Vervece gliding through calm Mediterranean waters, it's hard not to admire the sheer artistry of her transformation. The contrast between her industrial past and her luxurious present makes her captivating from every angle. She commands attention not through extravagance but through character. She's elegant without being excessive, powerful without being intimidating, and luxurious without losing authenticity. In many ways, she's the perfect example of what modern yacht conversions can achieve when executed with vision and respect for tradition.
So, who is Vervece for? She's for those who appreciate craftsmanship over flashiness, heritage over hype, and substance over status. She's for the owner who wants something unique, something that tells a story. For someone who looks at a gleaming new superyacht and thinks, that's beautiful, but I want something with history, something with soul. Vervece delivers exactly that, a tangible connection to the sea's working past, elevated by the artistry of modern yacht building. As we wrap up, Vervece reminds us that true luxury isn't always about perfection. Sometimes it's about preservation, about keeping the character and soul of something old while giving it new purpose. She's a living reminder that the sea values authenticity above all. From her sturdy steel hull to her elegant interiors, every part of Vervece reflects that timeless balance between strength and beauty. This has been Sir Boats Yacht, and I hope you enjoyed exploring Vervece as much as I did. If you love vessels with history, design stories with heart, and the beauty of maritime transformations, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which other classic conversions would you like to see featured next? Until next time, fair winds and following seas, and remember, every boat has a story worth telling.